In Japan, food is more than just what's on your plate. It's an experience, a ritual, and a reflection of harmony. Sushi cherry blossom. Every dish feels like poetry made edible, simple, precise, and beautiful. From the graceful slices of sushi, crafted with care and respect, to the comforting warmth of ramen, swirling with rich broth and soul, Japanese cuisine balances flavor, art, and emotion in every bite. Steaming bowl cross flags. Walk through Tokyo's bustling Tsukiji Market and you'll smell grilled seafood, soy, and freshness straight from the sea. Wander into Osaka's Dotonbori and you'll find the joy of street food, sizzling takoyaki, octopus balls, and crispy okonomiyaki, each bite bursting with energy and fun. Squid fire. Japan's food tells a story of culture, nature, and peace. Sheaf of rice teacup without handle. Speech balloon. Which Japanese dish would you love to try first? Sushi, ramen, or tempura? If this journey made you hungry for adventure, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Trip Tales Globe Showing Asia Australia.